back to the Sweet Pea Diaries. It's your girl Sweet Pea. I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Sweet Pea Diaries. We're happy to have you. Please hit that like button, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, comment. Now, I'm going to ask that, let me see something real quick. I'm going to ask that you be respectable in my comments. Hey, babe. Hey, everybody. If I don't shout you out, it's because I want to get through this. I don't want to be distracted because I don't want people to get confused. Because that is a lot of what happened last night in talking and bantering and having a fool-la-la and having a good time and talking in the comments. People get confused because they get sidetracked. So I want to give a background. Everybody knows what's going on. I had YouTube jumping today with this Tasha K, Cardi B. Yes, Tasha has lost this case. I stand behind my words. Yes, she has lost this case. Now, when people start messing with my integrity and they start coming up on my platform, accusing me of lying, accusing me of posting fake documents, well, now everybody knows where to go get these documents from, because now I have now let the cat out the bag, and everybody now knows how they can go to Pacer and they can look up everything, and now they can get the documents to report. Because it came across my desk that someone reported saying that these documents were filed in 2020. Yes, they were. December 31st is when they first filed the summary judgment. And as of 2/8, they entered it in the catalog of the Pacer computer program. And we saw that yesterday. I will be showing that after we get to this. So I reached out to my lawyer. I retained an intellectual property lawyer for my channel and for my brand because I want to keep him on deck for things such as copyright infringement, stuff like this, fighting with bloggers over, defamation, libel, and all that. This is a very reputable law firm. I used him. I used him in a situation I was dealing with the Zeus Network, and I paid these people $400 an hour. Their rate is $400 an hour, maybe $325 if they messing with you. And I will show my invoice at the end of this video. Because see, I don't play, I don't lie, I don't do none of that. When people come over here, y'all are going to be able to trust the stuff that I say. I don't lie. Last night, I said Cardi B won this case. Tasha K has lost. And my lawyer is going to verify everything that I said. And the reason I said that is because there's nowhere for her to turn once the judge files this paper. It's basically ready for the judge to sign it. It is prepared and it's expected that the judges, once you get to this step, that's what's expected. So I'm going to let you guys hear, and you guys got to really listen, turn your volume up, because it's a phone call. But first, let me show you the lawyer that I use. I'll show you the law firm. These are my lawyers, WebTM. It's the law offices of Gordon E.R. Troy, PC. They are out of West Windsor, Vermont. That tells you right there, up class, Vermont. They are intellectual property law and business lawyers. All right? And these are the type of people that you should use for defamation, libel, YouTube type things, copyright, not criminal lawyers. So first off, where she fucked up was she didn't even have the right type of lawyers, because these lawyers are well versed in this type of a case. All right. So this is the law firm, this is the lawyer, and this is my attorney that I use. And I will be proving that at the end of this, after this phone call. since I have to prove everything because people are questioning my integrity. I don't roll like that. I don't lie on people. I don't need to get to read. I don't need Tasha to say, "Hey, sweet pea, I'm gonna need you to read," because everything I read was accurate, correct. My observation was accurate and correct, and the lawyer is going to verify that. So here we go. Now you guys got to turn up your volume. Turn up your volume so you'll be able, because you're gonna be able to hear me fine. But he was having some issues with his phone and computer thing, so you're gonna have to really listen to him. Get a definition, and I'm trying to like make some clarity of something that came across my desk, and before I just wanted to see if I had this definition right. You know, I didn't want to rely on Google. If like I was in a case with someone and I had someone follow, I'm like at the end of this case, and a person, their lawyer decided to file a summary of judgment because I haven't been able to show like enough evidence, or I haven't been able to present my case in a substantial way. The summary of judgment, what is that? Like,
just okay. It's called he's filing a motion for summary judgment, which means he wants a judgment to dismiss your claim on the grounds that you were not for lack of prosecution or whatever other grounds he's alleging.
And so the briefing that the lawyer prepared, it's like a packet that has all of the information in it and everything. That's what they submit and give to the judge, right, to make the decision.
Yeah.
Now, when there's an actual, like a motion, I guess, or a judgment by the judge, it's like on has the case number and everything on the top of the paper and all that, and it says that the motion was granted. Um, it says proposed that and it tells like it says the court hereby read it.
Is it state court or federal court?
It's state court. All right. It says oh crap. Where's the document when I need it? Okay. It says so. It's you know, it says the court, the state, you know, Georgia, and it says proposed in brackets, and it says order granting plaintiff's motion for summary of judgment against the defendant. And it says, having considered the motion for summary of judgment, the motion filed by the plaintiff against the defendant, and for good cause shown, the court orders as follows. The motion is granted as follows. And then it goes on in to say the counts and what, you know, has to be done and what, you know, is going to have to be done. And then it says dated, and it's the date is blank. It hasn't been dated or signed yet, but it has the judge's name typed, and it says that it's United States District Judge. So does this mean that it's going to be signed by the judge?
Yes, but bear with me a second. Hold on. I'm gonna, since you tell me it's a federal case, I'm gonna look it up.
Well, it's in the state of Georgia.
Yeah, but didn't it say United States District Court?
Oh yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
Okay. Hold on, I had to delete Chrome and now I have to find my login credentials.
I appreciate it. I just want to make sure that I'm giving correct information because I was following it along myself and I noticed that like the packet was, the lawyers put their packet together and they did that back in December. And this paper was also drafted back in December, but it's just now being entered into the Pacer system 2 days ago. So I was like, oh, they must be getting ready to sign this.
So you're the defendant in the case?
No. Yes, just say I am. No, I'm not. Mm-mm.
Okay.
It's a case that it's a case that I'm working on that I'm just want to make sure that I tell the right information.
Hold on one second. Again, where am I here? Great, I can't find Gordon's paste login, so I'll have to use mine.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. I appreciate you taking the time because I'm being beat up about this. One of my colleagues is stating that I don't know what I'm saying, and I'm trying to explain to them that I absolutely do know what I'm reading it. It's right here, and it looks like it's prepared for the judge to sign it.
Yeah, well, you're absolutely correct. But I lost my password, so I have to.
You're absolutely correct.
Ask them for a new one. You know.
It's like the packet that the judge saw, the packet that the lawyer put together, that was their preparation. And then the second piece that is the actual motion that's filed, that just looks like just because it says proposed and it's not signed, it looks like to me they prepared it for the judge to sign it.
Yeah, that's what they do. In fact, the judges require that you submit a proposed order. And then they either sign the order that you submit or they change it the way the judge changed it the way she or he wants to change it. And that's the way it goes.
And usually when you get to this step, that's the end of the road.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Basically, the summary judgment is only appealable if you have some really substantial reason why, like you were in the hospital dying of COVID.
Only if you were in the hospital dying of COVID. Because they had filed this, it was like because the person's documentation and what they were proven in court so far, it wasn't substantial. So the plaintiff feels as though they got enough to file this. And usually, from what my research was, usually the judge approves this.
Usually the judge signs it in that form or another form that's close to it.
Okay. So this is basically what's going to be signed.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's Georgia Northern District, and the last name is Kebe, Kebe, and the first name is Latasha, Latasha. Right, on certain claims, counts, right.
Yeah. And count 1, 3, and 5. So, I don't know, I don't think it resolved much.
I don't think it helped much.
I said I don't think it resolves very much.
Right. And if she answers
like
it ain't
going
to help.
Money to spend fighting here.
Right, because it's like it's not gonna matter. You're gonna lose. Fighting this case, he said. He said they wasted a lot of money. The defendant. Yeah, the defendant, because the defamation. Like if you look, there's been a lot of motions to compel to the defendant because they're not answering the interrogatories correctly or in full or whatever. And I did read.
There was a hearing on the 26th, and the court has not yet passed on what they have to do.
And then I know on the 3rd they had a hearing because the defendant was trying to get the case dismissed because the plaintiff had added their business, and the judge dismissed that and said that he wasn't allowing that, that she can absolutely add business. And so my point is, I'm not saying, the case is over, but my point is the plaintiff must have pretty substantial belief that they're able to beat this case. Their lawyers must think so by filing this summary of judgment.
Just summary judgment, not summary of judgment.
I'm sorry, summary judgment.
Yeah. Yes and no. I mean, usually what you want to do is you file a summary judgment motion if you're confident that there are no facts in dispute, and that you can win, and that you can, basically narrow the issues in the case. However, some lawyers file motions for summary judgment because it requires answers by the other side and puts them in a position of having to answer the particular allegations. So it might be tactical rather than just very confident.
And
in other words, we have a case that we're going to file a motion for summary judgment on. And the reason why we're going to file it is because we're going to make some statements in there that we believe to be true and that we have evidence for, that will require the defendant in the case to put up or shut up.
Put up.
He's going to have to come up with some.
He said, put up or shut up.
Which he hasn't until now. And if he doesn't, we win the summary judgment.
And what would be, I mean, looking at the case, like what would be entered so far that hasn't been entered that would magically appear?
Well, the judge has not ruled on what they have to answer in terms of discovery. So there could be, this looks like it's just, a long way away from me.
It's a lot of paperwork. It's 2 years worth of stuff, and it's all you would have the exhibits with all the interrogatories, everything is answered, and it's in here. I read all of it.
You'll excuse my French, but I think this case is a clusterfuck.
It's a bunch of mess.
Yeah. So definitely, no one can say your opinion is wrong because it's your opinion based on what you read. But I never.
He said no one can say my opinion is absolutely correct. And so I'm not.
What was the basic definition?
So the defamation was that the plaintiff had HPV, herpes, that she put a bottle up her vagina. She was a stripper. She was a prostitute, not a stripper, but she was a prostitute. And so, it's Cardi B. Cardi B, out of all people, our favorite person. And so she sued the defendant. And actually, in this case, in my opinion, she had every right to, because you can't just because you want to sell clicks and views on YouTube, you just can't make up stories and put them online just to get people to watch them. And especially if a person is famous. What is it?
It's pretty nasty.
Yeah, and it's really nasty. And they got like 4.2 million views as of today. And they found through the course of this that she has made over 132 videos about Cardi B, or in the videos some form talking about Cardi B. So she had to submit all that stuff, and and then I think she kept asking for more time and more extensions, to where this time the judge just said he was fed up with it, that she had to come up with some answers. So that's probably why she just filed an answer to whatever it is, this summary judgment. But I was just, everything that I was looking at, I wanted to make sure that I was accurate in what I have depicted so far. That this has been filed.
You have to look at the reply. The reply is filed, is document number 126.
Okay, let me see.
Oh wait, no, not that one. It's document 129.
129.
No, that's not it. That's a reply brief. Hold on.
Okay.
I saw it a minute ago. Oh, here it is, and it's provisionally sealed.
Yeah,
It's reply brief to motion for summary judgment, but that's what you got to look at.
it's the document that's sealed.
Yeah.
And so,
You think you can get it from the plaintiff's lawyer?
no, I'm doing this on my own free will, like um, my own commentary and everything, but I'm not letting anybody question it's my integrity. It's more so for me. I don't really care if Cardi B wins or not. It's more so for, for my integrity, just so I know that what I'm saying is accurate and I'm not leading people down a path because my words were, in my banter and in my communicating that Cardi B has won this case. In my opinion, she's won this case. Tasha might as well hang it up because unless she can, like you said, unless she has some type of magic answers or some magic trick that she's gonna pull out of her hat that she hasn't thus far. I don't see how she's gonna win this.
And you've heard you've seen the videos where she makes these allegations.
And she admitted that she did that. She admitted to it. Like as you go through the interrogatories and everything, she admits that it's her making these statements, and the court, everybody's seen it all over the world. We've been seeing it when she did them originally back in 2018, and they've all been submitted in court and everything. And in her interrogatory, she admitted that she did it. Yeah, and she had a counterclaim that she filed against Cardi B for slander and assault or whatever, but she filed a motion to dismiss, like to be allowed to drop it, and she dropped that around the holidays because she didn't have, you know, a leg to stand on. So it's like if you dropped your counterclaim, how are you expecting to win the summary judgment? I don't get it.
Well,
He said no. He said no.
You're right.
You're right. Mm. So
I don't see a problem with your perception of this. I think that the judge will. I think what you have to say is you haven't seen the reply because it's filed under seal, but you don't believe that there's anything that she can say that will change the facts of the case.
right.
That's what I would say.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Lawrence. Okay. Yep. Okay.
All right.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Have a good one.
You too. Bye. So if you did not, if somehow you didn't hear that, you can go back and you can rewind it. He basically said she lost this case. You are accurate. I don't see how anybody could say what you said was inaccurate. You are correct. Unless she has some magical pony that's going to come out and do a dance and erase all those videos and wipe away the shit she said, then she's going to lose. So there you have it. The lawyer said it. It's there. And I'm going to show one more document to prove that this is my lawyer. This is somebody that is an ambulance chaser and is somebody that I just found out of the thin air. Give me 1 second. All right. Now, here's proof that this is my lawyer. This is not somebody I just got out of nowhere. Here's my bill for the services that they did for me. My name against the Zeus Network. And what I paid and how much I have to pay. You see that? Hourly services, research on the Zeus Network. Monique said that TMZ provide the same info. They always get it first. This is the statement that everyone is stating. Tasha K is not a celebrity, and TMZ they have researchers and people that do the same thing that I do and everyone else does. They go online and they go and they find public records on Pacer and they print them out. Pacer is the only place that you can get documents other than going to the courthouse itself and getting the documents. So I'm educating people and putting them up on game. Thank you, Mary, and thank you to the other person. Thank you for the donations. You don't have to do that. I'm begging for chats, is what they said. So y'all listen to the lawyer. You can rewind it back, but I have a guest that's going to come up here and she's going to speak, and then we're gonna get into this shit because it's a shame. It's a shame that I had to do all of that. It's a shame that I had to do all of that because she's trying to mess with my integrity and she's trying to slander my name because she fucked her name up. Because you fucked up your brand and fucked up your name. Now you trying to fuck my integrity and fuck up my name. My name is good in the streets. My people know when they come over here, I'm telling them the truth. So I am convinced that y'all don't want to admit it. Y'all don't want to agree because y'all are salty that she's standing in front of y'all losing like a motherfucker. I don't know why it does that. I'm calling you now. I don't know why it's doing that.
Please leave your message for 9.
I just called. It's going straight to the voicemail. I just called. It's going straight to the voicemail. Monique Coleman, it doesn't matter. I don't care. That's not nothing that I'm debating here. I'm clearing my name and my integrity. I don't give a damn what CARDI did. CARDI admits to what she admits to. That's her business. I'm admitting to nobody's messing with my name. That's my statement.
Please leave your message.
Well, I don't know. It's going straight to the voicemail.
8.
See? It's going straight to the voicemail. I called. Here we go. Okay. Maybe I'm dialing. Yes.
Okay, can everybody hear me?
Can y'all hear?
Can they hear Auntie?
Can y'all hear Auntie Nisi? Go ahead and talk.
You're gonna have to put the phone directly up into
It is.
To the mic.
It is.
Okay. I just want to say this. I believe everything Sweetie has to say. Sweetie is every day. There's only 2 people that actually look down and say, There's nothing else to be said. The girl lost. We just waiting on the judge to sign the paperwork. Point blank, period. I'm going to say this.
How about now, y'all? Y'all hear it now?
Wait a minute. Tasha K is going to have to prove in court, in front of a judge and a jury, that CARDI B has herpes, HIV, or whatever the fuck what it was. Offset got an outside baby. She thought she was born with birth defects. CARDI is a prostitute on drugs. When you go in front of a judge, you got to have proof. I need concrete evidence proof. This is a defamation case, a silver case. It's all about the money. She cannot appeal this case. She either won or she lost. And that goes for both of them. Either they won or they lost. I done been in prison, I know about the jail system. If you dismiss your counterclaim against somebody, what defense do you have in the court of law? You denied to say CARDI had gang numbers coming. You were so stressed out when you was pregnant. You did this and you had to move. Where's the goddamn proof? The judge told you to bring documentation. She did not bring shit to court with her. But the two ambulance chasing ass lawyers you got. I don't give a fuck how y'all feel about Cardi B. But Cardi was on that bitch neck. Anytime you going up against a high-priced celebrity, the number one star, and right now, she's the number one star, female star right now. You ain't got that kind of money to buy the top lawyers that might cost you.
And let me interject. Let me interject right here, and I'm gonna say something, Auntie Nisi. Auntie Nisi, let me tell y'all this. CARDI took an HPV test and a herpes test to prove that she doesn't have HPV and herpes for this case. We read it in the paperwork yesterday. She took an HPV and a herpes test. So what is it? Y'all heard the lawyer. The lawyer said it's time Tasha either gonna put up or shut up. She's done.
Now how you gonna accuse me, sweetie, of having an STD when you ain't got my medical record?
Yeah.
You could have got it. I would have gave it to you. But if the test come back negative, then what the fuck? You defaming my character. You getting on YouTube in front of millions of people lying on me. But then you want to get in front of your motherfucking podcast and try to make people think they stupid. Bitch, I went to school, ho. I chose the life that I live. But I went to school, bitch. I'm not no stupid motherfucker. I can read.
That's what I said.
And your ass lost. And I put it out that you lost. Sweet Pea didn't put it out. I put it out. I went to that whole page and I drove that bitch. Why? Because she put my motherfucking name in that goddamn court document. Now, you put my name in the court papers, bitch. But you don't want me to testify.
Right.
Because if you want me to testify, bitch, I'm taking every motherfucker.
Tracy, this is Auntie Nisi.
When this shit over with, I'm coming at your ass next.
Tracy, this is Auntie Nisi. This is the lady that Tasha put in the court documents. This is one of the ladies that Tasha put in these court documents stating, and she only know her from Instagram and she don't even know her. This is someone that Tasha threw in her interrogatories.
Bitch, you don't know me. You just saw that girl followed me.
Right.
And once you saw that she followed me, you thought it was a connection there, bitch. She followed all her goddamn fans. She always interacting with her motherfucking fans, bitch. But you want to start a war with me? Oh, you gonna lose? You gonna lose, bitch. And all the stupid motherfuckers that keep coming in the comments talking about this Amon said, I fuck what Amon said. He ain't read no damn court paper. They too long. It's too many of them motherfuckers.
It's a lot.
Y'all ain't gonna want to sit there. It took me damn near 2 weeks to read all that motherfucking shit Cardi B had in the motherfucking paper.
Yeah.
Tasha K. Once we got the Tasha K paperwork, she hadn't filled out now pieces of paper.
She still got shit to fill out.
Motherfucking question. That bitch still got filled out.
Yeah.
How you gonna sue a motherfucker when you ain't got no goddamn evidence? You hollering about Cardi B hiring up to come get you in Atlanta. I'm in Tennessee, folks. Come on now, bitch. And y'all act like y'all stuck on stupid.
No, because they
just go from platform to platform to platform to platform instead of pulling up the goddamn documents. It don't cost for $3.99.
Yeah.
Pull the court papers up and read the motherfucker. And y'all they curious about the goddamn case.
Yeah, anybody could have did it. Anybody could get them.
That motherfucking girl, she got like one of my motherfucking children. And it's mutual, goddammit. And I'm telling her so I can talk now. You know I couldn't say shit while the case was going. So don't fuck with me. You know this one road you don't want to turn down. This will say one way. One way. That's my motherfucking way. And
so I'm gonna
try to discredit Sweet Pea Diary. This lady got a tablet. This lady got a motherfucking corporate. Oh, she was a corporate business, bitch. She sitting at home on her motherfucking couch in her drawers and bra doing a motherfucking podcast.
Right.
Work around here. The fuck?
Yep. Yep. I don't need this shit. I do this damn shit for shits and giggles.
In attendance today, that Tasha K, ugly ass, lost the motherfucking lawsuit. And y'all can quote me. Well, Auntie said she lost. Say I said. Send this to me. Send that home to me. Send it to me. Fuck ass bitch. Cause I can reach out and touch that hoe. I'm just waiting on that judge to sign that paper. That's all I'm waiting on, so she can't connect this shit to crime. Stupid bitch.
And it's about to be signed. It's going to be signed. And I'm saying that I stand on my words that she has lost this case. Cardi B has won this case. I never said that the case was over. Y'all can go back and I'm going to prove this. This is my last receipt. I'm going to show these people for the last time. I did not say that this case was over.
You ain't got to do all that, girl. Read the goddamn paperwork, girl. With the judge said the top. Read that.
We're going to read that, but these people, I'm going to take care of this real quick. Give me 1 second.
I'm fucking a new charge at any time. When I have some truth, that's who I go to. The fuck?
Give me 1 second.
Your credibility is, I really tell you something. If I was still in my younger days, I ain't gonna tell her what the fuck I to be doing. I would sure want you to represent me. I want you to be my, my go-to person while I'm in jail.
I got you, Auntie. I got you.
I wouldn't go to no Armand or no motherfucking Wiley and none of them ignorant motherfuckers. I come straight to you. You and Chop. You and Chop and the Bear. Them is the y'all two who I go to. And Chop and the Bear probably don't even know I watch her. But I do. I always watch her. See, I watch people with integrity. When I want to laugh, I go to Garden. When I want to get a kiki, that's who I go to. But when I want some motherfucking information, I go to Sean Davis White and Sweet Pea Down. When I want some real honest, true, goddamn information, I know who to go to. They ain't looking for no motherfucking cookies.
Right. I'm just exposing the truth. That's it. Now this, I'm gonna show y'all. This is it, and then we gonna be done for the night. I'm showing that I did not say that this case was over with. Give me 1 second.
I said that.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Wait a minute. Here we go. This is okay.
I watch you too, Tracy.
Tracy said,
Tracy be getting a hold of Joe.
all right. Now this is what I said last night. Now listen at this. Everybody listen at this. Since they trying to twist my words. Here we go. And I just talked about it as soon as I found it. I have been reporting on this ever since I found these court documents. I believe she has 21 days from like 21 or 30 days to get everything down. I believe there's a time limit, but don't quote me on that. I'm not going to start throwing out guesses and all that. All it is, the point of the matter is she won. It doesn't matter. All in the little small shit, y'all. This is not a jerry curl. This is my natural hair. This is not a jerry curl. So, Richard, this is not a jerry curl. I got distracted. Let's see. But no, baby, this is. So there we go. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Who ordered Chick-fil-A? You guys ordered Chick-fil-A. Your food is here.
Can y'all hear me in the chat? Let me know if y'all can hear me in the chat. There's somebody in here named Monique Coleman. Monique Coleman. I see your comment right here. That shit you just wrote, I used to do that shit every day. So now what?
Where is it?
I get a motherfucker right now. If the motherfucking trick right.
Where's she at?
No, I'm dealing with her. She wrote on here about CARDI bugging and robbing me.
Oh, I blocked her. I blocked her. She gone. She gone. I blocked her. So there we have it, y'all. Auntie Nisi, thank you for coming up here. Thank you for always supporting me. I'm getting ready to get out of here, y'all, because I had a long day. So I'm done. Thank you. Mwah.
All right, I'm done.
So there we have it. The lawyer said what he said. Y'all can go back and listen to the lawyer. Hi, Essie. My lawyer was on the script. My lawyer verified everything I said. You guys can go back and listen to it. It's done. So it is what it is. Like I said, the lawyer said, put up or shut up. Tasha's got to either put up or shut up. and she's not going to win this case. She's lost. It's done. We are at the end of the road. Summary judgment is it. It is final. It's done. We are done. The judge is prepared for the judge to sign it. So I'm done. Y'all can get in the comments. Keep it coming. Negativity, positivity, whatever it is that you guys decide to put in the chat, continue to do it because it gets me paid. It gets me views, likes, dollars, and dollars, likes. All that equals dollars. All that equals revenue. All that equals growth for my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. It's been a whirlwind today. Thank you guys for supporting me. All my supporters, y'all been riding with me today. To all of the people that are out there that are Tasha K fans, I'm going to tell you guys this. Y'all are able to be Tasha K fans. Y'all are able to be Tasha K fans. But it is the dragging people about their hair. It's the dragging people about their appearance. It's trying to figure out people got money and all of these things, all because Tasha committed defamation. Bitch, get over it. You lost. You lost. You lost, bitch. You have lost this case. And you mad because a bitch like me jumped up on this bitch and ran the shit, and then you sending all these motherfuckers over here to try to bring me down. But you're not going to ever bring me down because I'm a strong Black woman. I believe in myself. I stand 10 toes down all the time. I stand 10 toes down for everything that I say. Anything that I get up here and talk about is true and it's factual. I don't speak no lies, no falsehoods. I give my people the truth. That's what they know me for. I cannot help it that you done fucked your name up and you done fucked up your brand. And that whatever you had going for yourself, once upon a time, you done fucked it up. Fucking with Cardi B. You should have left that bitch alone. You should have never, ever, ever tangled with that bitch because you ain't built like that. You are not built like that. So everybody can miss me with that, oh, you're on the computer screaming at the screen. No, ma'am, I'm not screaming at the screen. I am vindicating my motherfucking name like Tasha did a 3-part fucking series trying to vindicate her fucking name. What makes you think that you're going to come up here and talk shit about me and I'm going to allow that shit? Bitch, you lost your motherfucking mind. That's why your ass ran off of that damn live or Willie Vanilli show. You ran off that live because your ass knew you couldn't stand next to me. You know I know what's going on with that case, and you knew I would have ate your ass up if you came on that live. That's why you don't come over here. You don't do none of that because you know I will eat your ass up. You fucking with an educated bitch, not a hood bitch. You fucking with a bitch that can sit in a meeting and talk about acquisitions and revenue cycle management. You talking with a bitch that can talk about medical compliance and bill review coding compliance laws, bitch. You talking with a motherfucker that signed performance improvement plans. You talking with an educated bitch with naturally curly hair. And you got these bitches running around here. They done forgot what it fucking looks like to have fucking black hair. And all at the same time, y'all, natural hair. Yes. Yes, come through natural hair. Yes. And then when you see a bitch with natural hair, you trying to motherfucking clown her. Y'all are some weird ass, contradicted ass bitches. I'm an educated bitch. I can twist it up, talk professional, get ghetto on your ass all at the same damn time. That's why you're not fucking with me. I don't give a damn if I got 2 subscribers. You're not fucking with me. So you can continue to send these people over here. I have proved my point. I said last night and my allergies, y'all see it, is happening. I said last night that this was done. This case is done because once you're at this point, it's done. Tasha K has lost in court. She is done. Cardi B has won. Period. It's over. And what I said to the viewers, if you thought that I said the case was done, like it's finished, they're not. No, I said the judge still has to sign that. It may take 21 to 30 days, or it could be tomorrow. So, bitch, whether you sign it tomorrow, today, the past, the future, it's going to get signed. You heard the lawyer say it's ready to either be signed in the format that it is, or he might make some changes and put some things that he wants in it. But either way, it's going to be signed and it's prepared to be signed. Y'all heard it from the lawyer. Period. Just because TMZ, and did you hear her? I'm going to give the motion to compel to TMZ. What? TMZ don't get no motion to compel. The fucking courthouse issues a motion to compel. You talking about you going to give it to TMZ. TMZ going to get it first. Bitch, I'm telling y'all what she meant. What she meant was she's already, and see, I'm about to give another piece of tea. She's already filed her answer to this summary judgment. She had it sealed. The judge just hasn't signed this paperwork yet, and she's stating that she'll give it to TMZ before she gives it to, she'll give it to a white blogger. Bitch, they not think about you. Who the fuck are you? You might be popping on YouTube. What? You gonna get 100,000 views on YouTube? TMZ don't want that fucking petty ass, pissy ass pennies that you peddling. They don't want your pissy ass panties, bitch. They don't want your roach killer ass shoes. Bitch, they don't want the fucking African coins. They want fucking dollars, bitch. Millions. You're nobody. Who the fuck is Tasha K? Fucking TMZ. Your ass is warped. Calling me ugly, bitch. You said I look like I'm 62. Bitch, where? Your ass look like some fucking Mad Max. You look like fucking Grace Jones with that fucking Mad Max and the Pterodome hairstyle you fucking peddling over there on that platform. That tight ass motherfucking shape up, bitch, looking like a fucking man. Your fucking man don't even want to fuck you on his worst day. He ain't even want to fuck you on his worst day, bitch. You was a cookie. You was a cookie. You was a cookie. And your dumb ass wasn't even smart enough to turn the live off. And he fucking embarrassed your ass on the fucking platform. He knew you was live. And he embarrassed your ass in front of your fucking subscribers. What type of husband is that? Fucking embarrass your ass and say he ain't want no cookie in front of people, and he knew you was live. Get your ass up out of here. You mad because fucking video number 135. What the fuck is video number 135? What the fuck is video number? Bitch, I said this video. What the fuck is this word? What is this word? What is this word? Fucking shit. That's a motherfucking. I ain't got shit. Don't ask me for no money for no fucking Apple Card. I can't get you no Roblox. I don't got no fucking money. The fucking credit card is the clown. I can't get you no fucking Roblox. Fuck. Bitch, don't get mad because your ass got fucking aired the fuck out or the Sweet Pea Diaries. You got aired the fuck out. Period. Point blank. End of story. So that's all I fucking got. I ain't got no fucking more. It's not my motherfucking fault that your ass done ruined your brand and ruined your name. And I wish the fuck you would try to tell that fucking lie that Oprah Winfrey done picked your ass up. Oprah Winfrey would be caught fucking with no Tasha K on her worst day. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is not putting you on no fuck. They don't want to even be caught. You been and told her fucking business. Oprah like, bitch, me and Stedman ain't fucked in years. I'm fucking Gail. Bitch, you ain't come sitting over here telling my motherfucking business. Tasha, who the fuck is Tasha K? I sent her a box. Why the fuck you sent her a box? Oprah, this is Oprah to her staff. This bitch talking about she got a box. How the fuck she get a box? Y'all gave her a box. Now she all online talking about she got a contract. Who the fuck is she? Oh. Motherfucking Oprah don't know your ass, bitch. You talking that shit because Jason Lee, all these other motherfuckers is sitting over there on Fox Soul. Ain't nobody came and got Tasha K yet. Ain't nobody asked. You because you not hot. You not pumping no. You don't got no fucking content. You're not interested. Nobody wants to watch you other than the fucking people that you sent over here to try to tear my spirit down. And then you want to scream the black woman all in the same breath. And y'all motherfuckers talking about how ugly I am. Bitch, I'm beautiful. I'm a queen. I'm motherfucking gorgeous. My man wants to fuck me every day, all day, 2 or 3 times a day. I have to get him out of my face, push him away from me. He's chasing me around this house constantly. You up online talking about let me go fuck my man for his birthday. Bitch, bye. Your man don't want none of that fucking sour puss, bitch. That fucking sour puss. That puss sitting up there looking like it's about to pop out there between your stomach and your puss and your fucking kangaroo pouch, bitch. That shit look like it's about to bust out of them fucking jeans. You trying to motherfucking drag me. You trying to drag a bitch like me. Bitch, I'm 42, you 38. Looking like you done been through the fucking Civil War. Look like you've been running through some fucking plains or Africa, running through somewhere with your fucking barefoot, bitch. Standing up there talking about your skin and talking about a skin routine that you do. Everybody's been asking for my skin routine. Bitch, ain't nobody asked you about your fucking skin routine. Where? Bitch, look like you got a ringworm around your mouth. Look like you've been licking your fucking lips. Look like you got some type of fucking rash around your mouth, your fucking patches on your skin. Bitch, where's somebody been asking you for a skin routine? Bitch, get the fuck up out of here. Get your ass up out of here. That's another lie. Yet another fucking lie. Bitch, you lost this case. I stand 10 toes down. You lost this motherfucking case. Cardi B whooped your motherfucking ass as she should because you was too arrogant. You was cocky. And you thought she was going to let your ass go. Bitch, she let your ass have it, bitch. Yo, Grace Jones fucking Mad Max looking ass bitch. Fucking looking like you fucking eating off of fucking food stamps, bitch. Fucking running around at Walmart buying them cheap ass toys for them kids to give away for fucking Christmas. Bitch, where the fucking PlayStations? Where the fucking Xboxes? Where's that shit at? Running around at Walmart and all this shit, buying them cheap ass toys, giving away to them fucking kids, piling that dollar store ass shit up in the truck. We got another house to go to. I guess so, bitch. $10 will buy you a lot of motherfucking toys. Your husband wasn't even with you for that. Your husband didn't even come with you for that. You and the kids riding around doing that by yourself. Where was your husband at? Your husband wasn't even with you on Christmas riding around giving out toys. Ain't he TV Studios? Ain't he the fucking mastermind, the manager behind everything? Why the fuck he wasn't in the car helping you give out the fucking gifts? Suck my fucking balls, bitch. Hard. The balls that I stood up here and said your ass lost and Cardi B won, suck those. Suck those hard, bitch.